What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Nour Trades and today I bring you another special video, the Sunday Stock Watch List, where I talk about all the things that I like, all the things that I don't like, all the economic events going on, earnings going on this week, and everything you need to know to be prepared for the week. So let's go ahead and get started with the video, but before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. I'm waiting for you to do that. Subscribe, comment down below what are the stocks you guys are watching for this week, comment down below what other things you want to see on this channel and all that good stuff, and let's go ahead and get started with this video. So it is a short week, therefore we will have a short watch list, which is always a good thing. So Friday the market is closed. Right off the bat we have a few people speaking Monday at 12 p.m. 12:40 p.m. Charles. Tuesday I see Thomas Barkin speaks at 5:30. That's after the market. We have CPI data on Tuesday before market open, so that'll be important for a lot of you swingers that love to swing. You always want to know things that are happening before market open. So nothing really going on Wednesday. You know, you have the Atlanta Fed business inflation expectations. Not really that important. Jobless claims, retail sales, you know, consumer sentiment is nice. I want to see what's going on that on Thursday. And other than that, we have a few people speaking Thursday, Patrick, Loretta, but I don't see Fed Powell. So I like that. Dead week as far as earnings, but we do have a few important ones. CarMax is important because, you know, just what's going on right now in you know, society. JP Morgan will be important. Delta will be important. BlackRock will be important. Bed Bath and Beyond will be cool to watch, especially for, you know, these options traders that love swinging for earnings. These have moved pretty insane before. So we do have these banks reporting: Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, Citibank, Morgan Stanley. Those are all very important. Rite Aid is also reporting, which they do move, but I'm not really interested. PNC is important as well. So that's the earnings for this week. If you guys want a clear picture, just make sure you go to Trade Like Nour. Do not get scammed. There's only 3 accounts on Instagram that are real: Nour Trades, Trade Like Nour, StockHours, and technically Crypto Hours if you're into crypto. But other than that, all other stuff is fake, and I'll never message you first. And yeah, we'll never collect money from you. But anyways, Tesla's the first thing I'm watching. As you guys can see, we've tested this trend on 30-minute twice here. We've even on the bottom tested it twice. We do have this little flat bottom at 10.20 going on. I am watching this trend. This does have room to 10.12. Hopefully, okay, futures hasn't opened yet. Hopefully we do bounce and then we come back and retest it. If we slip under, it's going to be pretty hard to catch any of that. Now, if I put this on the 1 hour, as you can see, we have this 1 hour trend as well, which has room down to 10.06 now. So after you break that 30-minute trend, you do have more room down to 10.06. So that's one thing that I'm watching on Tesla. The second thing is AMD. AMD is important to watch for all the small accounts. This is cool because I usually don't have small accounts. But as you can see, this 100 level is respected heavy on AMD. This isn't just a little thing where, you know, it wicks under, wicks over, just one of those nonsense lines or supports, whatever. This has bounced off of it multiple times. As you can see, we broke through this to the upside from 100 all the way up to 122. We bounced off this 1, 2, 3, you know, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now 8 times. So this is an important level. If we break 100 and hold below, this will be a very nice trade to catch, a nice little swing for people who are watching, and all that good stuff. That was the 4 hour. Let's see how it looks in the 1 year. Look at the 1 year. You know what I mean? So something to keep your eye on. The next level under 100 is obviously 95. And then from 95, we'll see how aggressive the market is. Because if market sentiment is on the bearish side as well, this thing is gone for sure. So anyways, Amazon is next. Amazon's having trouble with a lot of things here. As far as you know, how it's looking, it does have this channel on the 15-minute. It looks like it's finally breaking this flat bottom here at 30.90. Now, if I put this on the 30-minute, you can see this downtrend. We bounced off of it twice. This does have a lot of room. You know, even on the 1 hour, this does have a lot of room. And what was I looking at before? Oh, yeah. This level that it's at, this does have a nice little room from 30.80 down to like 30.12. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but, you know, when the market sentiment is on that bearish side, Amazon's one of those stocks that it'll be the first to dip. So make sure you pay attention to that, because that's something I'll be paying attention to for sure. Nvidia on the weak side as well. This thing was actually holding up pretty well last week until, you know, it just got cracked. But Nvidia on the 4 hour here, as you can see, this uptrend, you know, it's just, look, a free fall from here from 290 to 230. It's not looking too hot. Now, you guys can see we do have this downtrend at 223. In the meantime, we might, you know, get choppy or whatever, but if we break this 223 level, it's going to be insane. Now, if I put this on the 1 year, we do have some gaps here on the upside, but we do have this bottom here around that 209, 208 level that, you know, is struggling to hold on to, and it has this trend. So I am watching Nvidia. It is pretty far, but I always like to mention it just in case things get crazy, and things have gotten crazy before where I thought it was never going to happen. It ended up happening. So yeah, that 30-minute, wait, what was it? 30, was it the 4-hour? Yeah, it was the 4-hour trend. I'll be watching this. If it holds 230 or bounces and we don't break pre-market, I most likely will play 230 tomorrow to the downside to 223 or 225. We'll see how that goes and how the market opens. But comment down below, what are you guys watching this week? I want to know. Since I have a short watch list, you guys might, you know, maybe watching something else. So if you guys enjoyed that video, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.